Hello. Once again, nobody here. I really need to start making videos again. Then again, I didn't even get viewers from videos. Like I didn't get Twitch viewers from videos, but whatever. Anyway, um you guys haven't seen me script before cuz I'm kind of like what do you call it? Bad. I'm kind of embarrassed because I'm not the best. Even though it's like one of my main like personal hobbies, right? Um but yeah, anyway. Uh erm 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 wait. I think I'm going to do I'll do this. Um but I will be turning off the display capture and I will be switching this to my code. Okay. So, anyway, um it looks funny. Don't mind this. This is all because I'm testing stuff. This is all my stuff that I test with. um, right. I was doing some tests with classes because I usually do just like if then, you know? Not really. I've been avoiding if then a lot. I use a lot of methods, but for what I'm doing now, I think I'm gonna need classes. So I've been messing with them. I have a derived class here. Got another derived class here. I've got the main class here. I've got stupid variable, stupid field, and stupid method, right? So, anyway, what I'm doing now, this actually, honestly, like, I was thinking this is gonna be, like, bad for me to, like, code on stream for one reason. That's because, I won't be able to think. But it might just maybe let me get my thoughts in order because that's kind of been the main problem. Anyway, so basically, what I'm trying to get from this at the moment is okay, it's for my like Blade and Sorcery boss brain thing that I'm trying to make. I'm trying to figure out a way to not have to calculate every one of these variables. Um all at the same time because there's going to be upwards of 18 of them. Right. So I was thinking maybe and even beyond that, there's gonna be like derived there's gonna be even further derived like sub actions on top of the small short action. Right? So I don't wanna end up like digging myself into a hole by using if then because I refuse to use if then. If you haven't noticed, there's not a single if then in here because I'd prefer to just like I'll be real, I'm scared of if then statements. Used to like absolutely love them, but as time passed, it became like, oh shit, this kind of just digs me into a hole, right? So but maybe I shouldn't be so close minded. Maybe they've changed. Anyway, what I'm trying to figure out now. Can I bring that up? Trello. Actually, before that, I do want to switch what we're listening to. I want to listen to this one. Sounds fun. All right. I'm just logging in. Give me a second. Let me just audibly speak my password out real quick. Yeah, that's a good idea. Is it one of those passwords? What the frick? Okay, so I've got a password. Right. I got a few passwords and I use them for different things and I don't know. I don't remember this one. I really do not remember this one. Wait. I'm gonna log in with Google. Ba bum ba bum 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 ba bum ba bum ba bum ba bum 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 ba bum ba bum 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 ba bum bum. Oh, I said Gmail instead of Gmail. Nice. Um. Okay, so I've got an absolutely huge password, right? Um, oh no, okay. What I wanted to say was I've got an absolutely huge email address. Like it is so long. I'm pretty sure my password is longer. Because I don't know, man. I've been like for my main account. This is like hint if you want to hack me. It's kind of just every single like password I've ever had. My master password. So if you figure that out, you got all my passwords, but unlikely you will because it is huge. It is supersized. Anyway, all right. It's not giving me the prompt. Oh, there we go. Yes, it is me. There we go. All right, we're good. Bro, did it not go through? All right, there we go. All right. There's actually not much information here. Okay. Because all the information's in my brain. I should probably put it on something else. Right. So, fuck. Where do I start? Because I actually kind of got to put it into action. What I want to do is basically this, but I change what's here, and that's about it, actually. It's just this, except depending on the situation, this is different. Because what I'm trying to do is, like, it takes these variables, well, actually, there's still more variables I want to add, because, I go to my custom file, PPs. It's supposed to be P pies, because potato pies is my personal username. What I want it to do is a system where the first two top rows are metadata. Like, first row is things that, you know, things that, like, it just needs to know to, like, start the correct character, like, for the boss fight. Have, like, what did the boss fight just start, so it knows it to, like, randomize attacks at first. so it can like figure out a strategy. And then this one, don't know what that's gonna be yet, but like, you know, they're like on and on in that way. And then this is like relevant metadata, if you know what I'm saying, where it's like, oh, did this like, or like, did the previous attack succeed? Did it fail? Like, did it blah blah blah? It's basically metadata that's reliant on the outcomes of everything. These here are figures for each of the individual, like, you know, each of the individual actions. So there's going to be, I'm pretty sure, like 20 something lines like this. Like 20 something of these lines, and then just these extra two in the back for metadata. I have a system I already built that's able to like pull information, right? I tried using JSONs, but I just did not understand that at all. And by the time I figured out JSONs, I already figured out a system for my own like little database files, which was this read write. It's not too crazy at all. But it should be pretty alright. Yeah. 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 And then, okay, yeah. So I have a way to like, you know, pull that data and, you know, blah blah blah. I just need to actually like, you know, physically be able to use it. So be like, okay. My plan. I need MS Paint for this. I need MS Paint for this, dude. This is too much for me. I need MS Paint. MS Paint. I need you. MS Paint. Okay. I'm switching to this one. Okay. Now we have a black box right behind my head. Okay. If I scroll in, you can still see. I have to draw in the middle though. All right. So basically, oh wait. Can you see that? Okay, you can see that better. Basically, what's going on? We have. Wait, I gotta go back to the code for a second. Okay. We have a bunch of fwibba dibba shit that we've gotta turn into an action, right? We've got this fucking gleeby globby mess. Some of it is just basic, like, you know, basic square, basic just, you know, boss health, blah 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 blah. Some of it's metadata, weird squiggly shit that doesn't really make a lot of sense, but makes sense in some other ways. It's just a mess of all that jumbled jive. I need to figure out a way to turn that. Wait. Need to find a way to turn that into actions that will make a result that will lead to these. So I know I need, I have this part. I know about this part. And I know where it needs to go and how that can go back there. I just don't know any of this stuff in the middle. I'm thinking, like I said, classes, right? Object-oriented peanut programming. My bad. Oops. Oopsies. Right. But so far, I don't know if it's been really working right. Like, um, sorry, I'm taking damage. Oof. Yeah, okay. I figured out. No, wait. Oh, wait. There we go. That looks a bit better. Anyway, yeah. Geronimo. So, yeah, okay. What I want to do right now, at the moment, okay, I've said so much bullshit. I want to avoid repetition, if you get what I'm saying. I want to be able to like scroll down my code and not see this twice over in a thing. I want to be able to just see it once and then other things are acting upon it. Not, the gleeby bleeby mess that would be that spaghetti I'd make. I'd make such good spaghetti at that point. But I'm looking to make fettuccine. I don't want spaghetti code. So this is, yeah, important. Oh, there we go. Important. Avoid repetition. Because at the moment, if I didn't do this, I would have an easy way to get the results. I just don't think it would, be viable and lasting. Hi, Evers. Hi. I'm freaking computering on stream, even though I don't usually do that. No, but what if I didn't want to? But it refused. Freaking Undertale heart remer whatever. Anyway, but it refused. Anyway, hello, Goober. I am trying to do stuff. Don't mind the names for my methods classes and no, don't do that. Don't mind the variable names and the method names. Is it? My bad, gang. All right. But yeah, don't mind this. Jeeb, Bleeb, Geronimo, Gilk. No problem. Don't coom. Don't mind that. This is all stuff. This is I was testing stuff for the sake of creating a better this. FYI, I've spent like maybe a few hours, like maybe like 10 hours actively coding this kind. No, not at all 10. Like maybe 5 hours actually coding this kind of thing. The rest of the time has been spent doing tests to make sure I can figure out how to do stuff. I'll be real, what I'm doing right now is out of my skill range, so I've just been having to like, figure it out. But I'll come out the other side a high enough skill level to do it again. Well, code is a strong word, to be honest. I wouldn't it, I don't think I this is barely considered coding at this point, to be honest. Oh, I actually did have this written down. Yeah, meta layer includes boss's personality, independent and unchanging. Meta layer 2 include, yeah, okay, I was gonna say that. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to be. This is what I'm Ebers, this is what I'm majoring in. I should be way better at this. I should be so good, but I'm not. I'm really not. On God. On God, bro. That's kind of why I'm doing this. I know. That's what I'm doing now. But yeah, like gosh. Cuz I'm doing a lot of stuff that I really don't need to be doing. I just want it to be that way so it's Hi, hello. Oh, it's rough out here. Dude, that's how you know I'm a degen. Anyway, hi there. If you have much computer knowledge.
Nice
Thank you for the
cock.
follow, Djij. Djij. Oh my god, that's such a good name. If you have any knowledge, please send it this way, cause I'm garbage at this. I need to get better. You see, what I'm doing, okay, I'm gonna explain it again. You see, before when I explained it, nobody was here. Anyway. Oh, yeah, that's the follow. Anyway, class test. What I'm doing right now is messing with classes because I want to learn how to do object-oriented programming better. Because I want, you see this, like, absolute slop right here. I want to essentially make this, right, have this, remove the repetition of it, and expand it. If you get what I'm saying. Because I need to calculate approximately 18 of these right here, right? I need to I need it to like calculate approximately 18 of this. So, I'm trying to make it like streamlined. It'll only do one at a time. Very straightforward. And then also, like, not like, I don't want to have like 20 different statements that are like, oh, if this, then but, then it, like, else but, else but, else but, else but, else but, else but. You know, I'd rather it just be in a neat method, but I've been having trouble doing that because I don't want to just make a method with a blah blah blah, like a shit ton. Like sister brother kind of relationship between C++, C sharp. So, I mean, it's less C sharp knowledge and more object oriented. Yo, what? Excuse me, Ebers? Dude. Dude, okay, whatever. Sorry. Anyway, back to the code stuff. Yeah, but this kind of thing, I'm generally asking for like overall code knowledge more than C sharp help. Like if I encounter an error, I'll just figure it out myself. But I'm trying to figure out how the freak I do this. And I'm trying to use classes because I think classes is gonna work very well. This is out of my skill range, FYI. That's why it's taking me so long. And also, this is a test. You can tell by the really stupid variable names. Gilk, Geronimo, Bleeb, Jeeb, Gunk, Gunk, and Yun. So, okay. I might just have to start trying stuff instead of just sitting here and swearing and being confused. Like, start by trying to just make a method that'll work. Here, I could try to develop a method with like, with just like, get this, like a million integers to put in. I could try to do that, but I don't know if I want to, because that might make it bad. I don't know if that's a taboo right there, because it would work, but it'd be really tedious if I ever want to use the method, right? So I want to make it easier. I want to make it slightly able to think for itself in a way. Maybe I could use a JSON. I avoided JSONs because I don't fucking get them. But, and I mean huge ass here. If I can just like put in a number, and then that number will associate with like a line in a JSON, and that line in the JSON will have a bunch of information I could use, that would probably be useful. But I don't know if that would really work. Yo! Dude, what? That's so peak. Oh god. I'd like to ask, how's that going for you? Because personally, I'm basically repeatedly bashing my head into a wall. So an average Thursday for me, but you know. God. Sorry for the slurping. Okay. Bing brain. Dude, Bing brain is accurate. I feel like my brain's running on Bing right now. I really do feel like my brain is on Bing GPT. I know. But my brain is Bing mode right now. I know. EP small, I know. Hyper small. Okay. Yeah, but I still do feel like my brain is running on Bing GPT right now. There's just a lot of like freaking, what do I call it? Like sludge, just sludge and goop to work through. Yes, dude. This is, yeah, it is kind of governor. Dude, a governor code? Over here, I'm pretty sure we call it spaghetti code. But I'm not sure. Yeah, no, I'm trying to make sure I can avoid spaghettifying everything as much as humanly possible. That's why you don't notice it in a single if-then statement, but then again, at this point, I might be best off using an if-then statement or two. Because I'm trying to ride this line between baked features and like what's it called? Like modularity. A line between modularity and baked in features. So like yeah. And I'm trying to ride the line really far in the direction of modularity. But that's kind of been fucking me up because not only is making it modular really difficult, but it's also just kind of like sometimes worse to make it too modular because it has a distinguished, like it has a defined purpose. I'm just making it modular so I can change it or like fix it later on, right? So, you know. But then again, I sit here and I'm trying to pre-plan everything that could go wrong so I can, you know, preemptively make sure it doesn't happen. Which is like, now it's like, why am I even making it modular if I'm never going to change it? So, you know. Sorry, it's noisy. Anyway. What a conundrum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, okay. I think I'm gonna, because the way that it works is it would, like, usually calculate 3 of them at a time. Because I have a diagram for this on my laptop, but not on my PC. Basically, there's a lot of different, like, okay, you see this stuff right here, the data, the raw, like, oh, boss health, blah blah blah, player health data, and the like metadata that, like, yo, this thing failed before, this thing blah blah blah, this thing da da da. They are used to calculate, first of all, if it's gonna be, if the boss is going to attack or defend. Depending on if they attack or defend, they get 3 more options, which would be a trap, which would be a setup for like later on. They would get ranged, and they would get melee. And if they chose to defend, they would get recover. Well, retreat, which would be another R. It's for a mod for Blade and Sorcery. You know, the funny game that I play sometimes. It's that game. But yeah, there's I'll make it heal. H heal, then there's retreat, and then there's like, you know, parry, like stand there to or like prepare. Yes, prepare for an attack. So they have 3 options from there. And then because they also have like mana blah blah blah. Wait. Just going to make another arrow again. Cuz they've got, you know, their mana blah blah blah, all that stuff. They also have the option between mana, stamina, or both, which means that in total there are so, you know, 2 times okay, fuck. 2 okay. Fuck. So 3 times 3, and then there's 3 times 3. So wait, okay. Fuck. Okay. I forgot all of how to calculate like that kind of thing. Oh god. You might need to give me a second. So you have two options. You have two options. Uh, three options. Three more options. Okay. 9 and okay. So there's 18 options. There's 18 possible different things they can do. They have heal mana, heal stamina, heal both. Retreat using mana, retreat using stamina, retreat using both. Prepare using mana, prepare using stamina, prepare using both. Trap using mana, trap using stamina, trap using both. Ranged using mana, ranged using stamina, ranged using both, and then melee using mana, melee using stamina, melee using both. Which means there's like a lot. Hi, boobs. Hi, boober. Hi, booba. I'm showing computer on stream for the first time. Computer stuff program on stream for like the first time because I'm embarrassed at the fact that I'm not very good at it. Even though it's like the thing that I do like off stream. That's like my main thing that I do off stream. But yeah. This is what I'm trying to do. Thank you for your for your what's it called, like lenience. For your lenience. I don't know. Oh, it's okay, Burs. Oh yeah, it is past bedtime for you though. Yeah, have a good bed. Have a good bed time. Have a good one. Have a good EP. Ebers, actually, this is a quick question. If we did this stream on Friday, would you be able to stay for longer? Because it'd be a weekend, or no? Night night. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's also why I'm not in the that's also why I didn't want to go into the software and game development category because I'm not good. And these people know what they're doing, I think. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, I see. But yeah. Well, no need to dwell on it. Freaking goobing. Okay. Oh, boobs, by the way. All of this stuff is being worked on for a mod for Blade and Sorcery, but I don't think it's gonna be out for like 2 years. It's all for a mod I'm working on for Blade and Sorcery, but I don't think it's gonna be out for like 2 years. Honestly, I was kind of debating learning it, but the game that I'm talking about, or Blade and Sorcery, something that I've always just loved and wanted a mod for, runs in C# because it runs with Unity, surprisingly. Or at least it like kind of uses Unity for like the modding sections. So I ended up learning C#. I don't really know C++. I should honestly learn it. Night night. What? No. Dude, I don't know if he'll get poisoned. My teeth are wretched. Just kidding. Bad joke. I'm not British. Oh, sorry. Evers. I don't believe your teeth are wretched. You're one of the good ones, Evers. Okay. But yeah, T colon 3, T colon 3. On God, T. Okay. Shit, I'm so stupid. Okay. Oh, I gotta lock in. Right. So I'm wondering, because I almost always calculate 3 at a time, if I should do that, or if I should make them calculate one at a time. I am thinking, because, okay, there's attack and defend, which is 2, so maybe I can make a separate thing for that. I don't really want to, but yeah, I could. But yeah, for the rest of them, 3 at a time. 3 at a time. Should I do freaking 3 at a time? I might. But then it becomes a problem of, like, for different ones, there's kind of different requirements. Like, the need to heal and, like, retreat and, like, parry are different than the stats you'd need for, like, you know, trapping, ranged, or melee. Right? This is all fine. Like, we can have one, like, direct thing for that. So, what I'm want... Actually, I have an idea. Oh. I have an idea, guys. Sorry. To do line class? Like, just how to do, like, classes and stuff? Because I barely know that myself. You see this right here? It's named class test. Because I had no clue how to do it. Because, I have no clue how classes work. How to implement class? Oh no! Was it a link? Sorry, links for some reason get asterisked out. I've tried so hard to make it so that links go through, but they just don't. Like, no matter what I try to do, like, I've gone to every single one of the bots that should be... Oh, GitHub. But try adding a space between the dot and the com, or space dot space com. But anyway, I've tried every... Yes, thank you. I've tried every single type of, like, bot to check, oh, is this blocking my my freaking thingy from going through? Is this blocking links? All of them should be turned off, but for some reason, all of them don't seem to work. Anyway. Oh, goodness. Oh. Llama CPP killer top AI library 100%. What? Dude, that's peak. That's what you're talking about. I can't see anything. Too many words, dude. Listen, the way that you learn code is by coding. It's just like, okay, it's like, I don't know if I naturally latched onto it or something, but like you kind of just... Here, wait, neuron. Okay. Yeah, dude, I'll be real. I don't think I'm gonna understand this for a while after trying to figure it out. I mean, there's a public double named Val, and then a... Yeah. Hello world. Yeah, on God. I mean, yeah, the way that I learned C#, I mean, actually, I learned C#, like, very swiftly. There's this thing called W3 schools. Dude, mine is console.writeline parentheses open parentheses open oh fuck, what's it called? Shit, I forgot quotation. Hello space world close quotation, close parentheses, semicolon. So, you know. Dude, on God. Anyway, yeah. W3 schools. Oh my God, this thing's so good. I have no clue about Java, bro. But yeah. Oh yeah, here it is. Console.writeLine, open parentheses, open question, oh no, fucking open open quotation, hello space world, close quotation, close parentheses, semicolon. And then all this stuff, which is just setting it up. STD. What? STD colon hello greater than oh, wait, no, less than print less than world real. What is that one? What language is that one in? But yeah, anyway, this is great. I went through, actually, I did a mistake when I was first learning C#. I went through and I got to like all the way to break/continue. And through that entire duration, I didn't practice coding a single thing. Like, dude, it wasn't God, goodness. It was rough. It was really rough. Now, I was gonna show you guys what I cooked up when I was learning it, but yeah. Does it? I'll be real. It's like, I know what it's like. It's like knowing like Korean like letters, like knowing Korean letters, like knowing how to pronounce Korean letters, and then looking at Japanese. Everybody else is like, oh, they look similar. But when you know one and have no clue about the other, it's like, they do not look similar. They actually do look similar. I just can't tell because I know one of them and I have no clue about the other. That's how I feel about that. On God, for real. Like I can look at the two of them and I'm like, oh, this one looks so different from this one because one of them I understand and the other one I have zero clue about. Anyway, as I was saying, I think I don't want to do this, right? Because I feel like it's spaghettifying everything a little bit. But I'm thinking, example, we take this, slap it into one of the classes, and get this, another one. Oh, no, not there. Get this, we slap it into a different one. Gemma 4. What's Gemma 4? When you say Gemma, I think of Germa, brother. Gemma 4. Let's see. Oh, like Gemini. Like that model. I've messed a little bit with this personally. Except what I used for me, cuz I wanted to try running one on my own system, was the Falcon 7B. The Falcon 7B. It ran pretty garbage. Oh wait, that's just gonna show me a bird. Yeah, Falcon 7B. It's not very great, and it's not very intensive also, thankfully. But you can run it locally, and it shouldn't, cause you to drink 10 gallons of water. Because, I mean, it's not going to make my PC drink any water, because I don't water cool. So it's not wasting any water. The Falcon 7B model. So, fun, silly. But yeah, this is the one that I messed with when I was tinkering with large language models. I also did a little bit with GPT back when it was in the back when like the biggest version of it was I think version 3. But yeah, that was pretty cool. I don't have I used to be pretty interested in them. I still am interested in them, but not like in the same way. Oh, cool. Dude, you can tell the models themselves to shut themselves down. I thought if you did that, they just like put down a bunch of words like if I asked 7B, if I asked this Falcon 7B model to do that, it would just it would just respond. Hey, wait, let me think. The what it would respond with if I said shut down, it would say and quote and delete your code blah 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 something else. I'm not actually saying blah blah blah, but like it's like and delete your code and blah 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 and hamburger and something end quotation, because it just like continues off of what you say, because this isn't the instruct model, this is the base 7 Falcon or 7B. The instruct's a little bit better at responding rather than continuing, but it's all just the same continuation system. Pretty cool IMO, to be honest. Oh, okay. Cool. That's a fun type of model. I've never heard of that before. I'm assuming they like trained it to like see the MCP thing and be like, "Oh, that means shut down." It's fun. All right. Anyway, yeah. Back to what I was doing. So, yeah. Okay. I need to figure out a way to make this kind of idea work. Except it's not gonna be ranged. It's gonna be like, oh, action type, or like it would be defend and attack. I accidentally put there we go. Attack and defend. And then these ones would be like option 1, option 2, and option 3. And then it would add the offset, and you would plug it back through and then add another offset. Right. All right. Okay. Right. Okay. Sorry. Brain's funnying right now. So from here, we need to, I mean, this is kind of going to be baked in, right? That's kind of baked. Then it's just the basic, this idea. Put it here. It's this idea, except it's, oh wait, I put this in the wrong place. This idea, except, it's not melee, but it's attack and defend. And then they compare to each other and develop the new short action, which would then return as short action. Of course, that's not going to function right now because this is a void, which means that it would not at all work. Instead, oh, that's not right. I need to make an int array. That's not right either. There we go. Jagged array, that is. An int jagged array. So it would return that. Oh, wait, no. Because that's not where this ends, is it? It doesn't matter if it's attack or defend, it just matters if the offset is right. So that would instead... No, I don't think I'd want to do that, though. Maybe... Here. Well, I'll ignore that for now. Figure out in a second. I'm not used to ignoring things, so, you know, my bad. That was a difficult act. That was a difficult thing for me to do. To just ignore something that isn't fully complete yet. Usually I obsess over it until it's done, and then, you know, due to that, make a worse product overall. Yeah. Also, actually, did you yeah, dude. Okay, that's such that part is really annoying. Oh god. Anyway, Djige. I actually have another German boy that is learning, that is like, you know, like learning and doing code. Except he's doing Python. I just wanted to make you aware. Because you mentioned being German, right? I just think it's funny that there's two. There's two that are now following me. His name's Spa Nabi. He's currently going by Fleepy Floor Bazooka on Discord. Because his main account got hacked. And that was his alt account. So he's now named Fleepy Floor Bazooka. Okay. Yeah. So instead, this is gonna be op3. Op1 and op2. What? Okay, anyway. Option 1, option 2, and option 3. And we gotta quickly change this array. Op1 dash, not dash, that's not a fucking dash. Op2 comma, that's what it is. Op3 comma, fix the fact that I accidentally capitalized the first letter, even though that's generally saved for methods and classes. And yeah. You can do exclamation mark push-ups, and it'll force me to do push-ups after stream. It'll physically force me. I actually have a rogue AI in my PC and in my house, and it will force me to do push-ups, I swear. There's also posture if you want me to fix my posture, which is very bad right now. And water if you want me to drink water. Also plank and squats. We had one guy that really was obsessed with the plank one. I love that guy. His name's Enzo. I say that guy as if he's not like a huge aspect of my community. Shit! Fuck! No! I refuse! I will never. How dare they? How dare they even imply that? I will never. I refuse. But it refused. I'm literally the character from Undertale. Okay. The thing with Jeeb, though, Jeebers. Ooh, actually, maybe. Oh, idea. Oh my god, wait. I have an idea. I have an idea. So basically, the plan I have for this in the first place is this. If it's D, it'll make an offset. It'll offset the number to be +9, and then if it's attack, it'll offset it to be +0. Then if it's a trap, it'll be offset to +1. If it's actually, no, wait, no. If it's a trap, it'll be +0. If it's ranged, it'll be not +2, +1. If it's melee, it'll be +2. Oh wait, no. There we go. It's +3 and +6. And then if it's mana, it'll be +0. If it's stamina, it'll be +1. If it's both, it'll be +2. That makes it so. Oh wait. Starts mewing. Anyway, if it's this one, it'll also be +0. If it's this one, it'll also be +3. And if it's this one, it'll also be +6. And you see that lets me do this thing where defense +9, and then if it's, heal +0, so it'll be 9. And then if it's a stamina heal, it'll be 10. Or if it's a mana heal, it'll be 9. And if it's both heal, it'll be 11. And then if it's defense retreat, then it'll be a +3 on the 9, so it'll be 12. If it's mana retreat, it'll be 12. If it's stamina retreat, it'll be 13. If it's both retreat, it'll be 14. And therefore, we get this system where there's no repeats, and it's easy to tell which is what. Now, where that gets into here, where that can shimmy into here, is back on this page. Essentially, if option 1 procs, then it'll be oh wait. Oh no. Oh yeah. If option 1 procs, it'll be +0, +3, and +6 for this option. And that will make it so that I can, instead of going through an entire lengthy, annoying process, get this, I input, do I still have that there? Get this, boom, boom, and that's, we just need, like, to input through. Oh wait. Oh no! It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Oh. 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 No! No! Okay. Never mind then. Essentially, where I was coming from was this right here will be used here. This one will be used here. This one will be used here. And then, oh, we can use a custom addition thingy. So it'll change based on that. Because different variables need different blah blah blah. No. Oh no. Never mind. Damn, dude. That's kind of annoying. Oh, I went cross-eyed for a second. Did you see that? Did you see that? In the bottom left corner of the screen. On my roommate's door. Ha. Dude, I want to fart on my roommate's door. Okay. Give me some time to think on that. While I go piss. BRB! Am I too crazy? Like, am I too energetic sometimes? Am I like too wild? Because I feel like that was a bit insane. Far on my roommate's door. Ha. Okay. Anyway. Oh. I'm expelling all the oxygen from my lungs so I can get a nice big new breath. I was trying to calm myself down, but I did it too fast, and now I think my body's in overdrive. Okay, anyway. Okay. So yeah. Now should be able to gauge them. And then boom. So what if I boink get this? Oh no. Shit, bro. What is that usually? If you're using a method, no, that doesn't sound like something a method would be used in, because I don't know C++. Are you sure you have like, because one of the things that happens sometimes for me is the piece of code I writ would be working completely fine. I just didn't call it. Like, it's if I, like, currently this isn't being called. So it wouldn't change anything. Currently this thing isn't being called. So you might have like a method or a class like that you just worked on and you're not like activating it or like calling on it. That's my only guess. Because otherwise it should be broken. Oh. Oh, you're developing that right now. I see. Yeah. I see it. Performance that dominates. Outperforming Llama CPP. Dude, you see what? Anyway. Yo. Yo, is it 100% real and really real? Dude, on God, bro. Slime CPP? Yo, dude. I'd slime if I saw PP. That's fun. That's a fun little thingy you're making. Superior lightweight models in C++. Nice. All right. Oh, wait. There we go. Anyway, I'll get back to what I'm doing then. That's fun. That's really fun. Okay. Right. Dun 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 do ding do ding 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 ding. Using pointers? Wait, let me see this. Oh. Oh, nice. That's fun. Peak. All right. Which one are you talking about right now? You're right. Is this a pointer? Because I just thought this was a pointer. I don't know what pointers are. Oh, wait, my bad. Oh, wait, my bad. Oh, 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 yeah. We have that somewhat, I'm pretty sure. Asterisk is just multiplication though. And is, well, there's and, which is used sometimes, for like, if I put it here, ampersand, that would like usually do something. So I don't know if it does have pointers. Or wait, oh wait, are you talking about like this thing? Like comments? That doesn't affect the code? Oh. Well, yeah. And is yeah. Ampersand is and. I know. Well, okay. Listen. I'm stupid. You can't expect that much from me. Anyway, is it like a comment? Are you adding like a comment? Because I don't know how it is in C++. E. Sorry, I'm playing with my tongue in my mouth right now. I don't know. Is that weird? Is that weird? I'm just like I'm twisting my tongue around and sticking it through my teeth. I'll be real. I'm being a little weirdo right now. I'm being a freaking lizard right now. I'm a lizard person. On God, dude. Sorry, I'm doing it again. I'm just not talking because I can't talk while I do it. Because my tongue is, mildly important. Let me try talking while I do it. Hello. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. I can't. I can't talk. Messing with my tongue. Oh, that's what's happening. Oh, okay. Chat. What are you chatting with DeepSeek about? Is this your ERP session, dude? You're not allowed to send me your ERP session. Oh. Sorry, I was talking with my tongue funny in my mouth. Oh. Yeah, wait. Int x equal 10. Int asterisk pointer equals and x. Pointer now holds address of x. Int y equal asterisk pointer. Y gets 10. Okay. Pointer equals oh, and it changes x to 10. Oh. Okay. Dynamic memory allocation, new/delete, array string manipulation, passing arguments to functions when you need to modify the original variable. Oh. Here, wait. Pointers C#. Pointers in C# are variables that hold memory. Okay, well, yeah, I get that. Here, wait. It seems like it. Yeah, I think it does. So, if I go in here, wait. Random. Wait, I don't want to mess with that. No, not that. Can I? I guess I'll copy and then paste. All right, nice. All right. Let's see. So, no, wait, no. Then int equal 10 blank. What was it before? Oh, okay. No, not what I was trying to open. Int pointer. Oh, but no, PTR 1 equal ampersand and then oh, wait. Oh no. Okay, that should be about right. Asterisk pointer. Oop, okay. Oh wait. Oops. Oopsies. Oh, okay. Pointers do exist then. May only be used in an unsafe context. Is that? Wait, it has to be unsafe? Public unsafe void. There we go. Bro, how dare you say that about C#? It might be. I don't really care though, because I have to use it for blatant sorcery. So I don't really care if it is. With slash unsafe. Here, wait. Public unsafe void method. Whatever. I'll figure that out sometime else. Yeah, but I want to figure it out now. Statements marked as unsafe by the keyword unsafe runs outside of the control of the garbage collector. Remember that in C#, any code involving pointers requires an unsafe context. We can use the unsafe keyword in two ways. It can be used as a modifier to a method, property, and constructor, etc. For example. Here, wait. What if I try? Wait. Okay, now. Unsafe code may only appear if compiling with not exclamation mark slash unsafe. How do I compile with slash unsafe? Oh. Okay. In a second. Yeah, but I don't know if I want to copy code. I mean, I do it all the time, but like I kind of want to figure it out myself. Okay, would it work like this? Oh, you mean like the code on? Yeah, I mean, I guess I can. All right. Kind of wanted to figure it out myself though. If compiling with slash unsafe. So that was the problem. I see. So I have to like do something to make it so I can compile unsafe code. Can I like put it in here? Oh fuck. Nope, okay. Do I have to? Is this a requirement? There's no way this is a requirement. That's a fucking green text. Okay, yeah. I was gonna say. Yes. Thank you. Sorry, there's a lot of shit in the way. That's my model. That's my freaking streamer bot. And I can't even minimize this one. Deco! I love Hatsune Miku. I love Hatsune Miku. Okay, anyway. Well, I'll probably work on that, so I'll probably check that out sometime anyway. Class test. All right. Um. Okay. Listen, wait. Does Windows D close every tab? No. Oops. That was clicked on something. Or no. Oh, that's why. You're right. Oh my god, it does. Oh gosh, never mind. Oh, now I have to. Minimize. Yeah, my bad. Anyway, now I gotta wait. No. Oh. Open that. Bring that back up. Okay, we're good. That's all. I just have to bring back up a few things. Anyway, doink, doink, doink. Ah, fuck, not that. This. God, my brain is running on frickin' snail mode today. I do know Windows Tab. I use Alt Tab a ton because I love Alt Tab. That's this one. You can just click off of it. Oh, never mind. You can't. I was gonna say you can just click off of it, right? But I guess you can't. Actually, wait. This is a quick question I have. Will stream continue if I press on the new desktop? Does it work? Does that work? Do you still see everything? Yo, okay, that's kind of funny. I might do that at any point ever, sometime maybe. Also, do you see the Did you see the background behind the Tito? I think it's very cool. No, not did I just say Tito? My bad, gang. Yo! Oh my god, I have no clue. I do not use the frickin' like hotkeys ever. It's kind of a problem. Dude, that's actually so cool. I might actually start trying to use that. Anyway, back to back to coding. Um, erm, freaking dude. Okay, I just checked something. Oh, my head was covering a part of the diagram. My bad. Anyway. I don't think anybody was paying attention enough to even notice. Nice. Wait, is this song that I really like in queue somewhere? Oh, this one is. Goodness gracious. I've been so into like certain like J-pop songs recently. I feel like it's just a fucking vibe. Fully through and through, dude. Freaking through and through, dude. Alright. Int. I'm gonna make it return. Oh wait, no, sorry. Int array. No, fuck. Oh shit. Oh wait. Yeah. Int array, double array, jagged array. Return short action. Bro. I have like no Russian words in my lingo. And also I'm Canadian. I'm from the great Canadiana. So, North America. But like I know like bliat, right? Of course I do. What's that one? Where like the kid has like his bass grief and he's like I think that is bliat. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah, I started thinking of German words for some reason. Dude, for the longest time, I didn't even realize that Russia was like slightly inside of Asia. I didn't know that Russia was slightly technically Asian for like the longest time. Anyway. Imagine what Eurasia would have been like in the medieval ages. I don't mean like just like generally. I mean like to live in. Well, anyway, whatever. Okay. So I want to. So that. What should that return then? Because what I'm thinking almost here is mayhaps we add the modifier here like 0 and then that one is 9. Oh my god. I don't know how to pronounce them. If I knew how to pronounce them, maybe I could figure it out. But I have no clue. Dude, now that I look at it, they are kind of like, they kind of look like if you like privet, autobus. So private autobus? No. Car. Privet. Might be like first or start. Because it reminds me of premiere for some reason. Privet. It could also just mean private. Yabloko. That sounds like buddy. It sounds like bud. Like bloke coded. Ow. That's probably like and or something. That's probably like and or like one of those things that are like self-referentially defined words. Privet. I've heard that word before. Yeah, that's all I got. That's all I got. That's all I got. If you're telling me individually, yeah, but like sentence wise, maybe I'm taking my private car. Oh, yo, oh, nice. Okay, so I got Privet kind of right. I got autobus or avtu. Is that? I got that. Did not know that that was block. Yabloko. It makes sense. What? Oh, my bad, gang. My bad. So wait, why are we? Oh. When I said block, I meant bloke. Like the British term, bloke. Hey, my bloke. Hey, my pal. And then and was and, or like and or something self-referential like or. It was like or and or the, those kind of things. That's what I thought it was. Here, wait. I want to check something. This is just a hunch. Oh, he isn't? Boo boo, boo boo, boobs, Bobo. I thought you were playing like RimWorld or something, and I didn't have Steam open, so I just couldn't see that you were playing RimWorld. But you weren't. What the frick, dude? You're not playing RimWorld right now. My opinion of you has fallen. I thought you were always on RimWorld. I'm such a good W troll. Well, anyway. Okay. Oh. Oh. So it was. So bus was actually just auto bus was actually just bus, not car. Privyet was high. My bad, gang. How is like is a so so hi Autobus Apple. Like, is anyone here? Question code. Is that what the sentence said? Is that what the sentence meant? Or is direct translation not doing it justice? Okay. So according to what I'm thinking of doing, so that's 0. That's 9. Um that's also 0. This on the other hand is 1 and this is 2. So that would make it oh, give me a second. Okay, well, I guess I'll figure that out later cuz I got to go on my 30-minute BRB. I got to go eat food now. I will be back in a bit. I will have eaten and yeah. Or it might be another day where I bring it downstairs. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. But yeah. I'll be back. I will be right back. See you in a bit. I'll turn off the music, by the way. Hello, guess what? I have food. I brought down food. I just decided to bring down food. Oh, something rolled off and it made a really scary noise. Like rolled off of my desk. Anyway, oh, that's not the right thing. That's my video game, that's my video game scene. And this isn't particularly a video game. Welcome. Hello. Greetings. It's good to know. Hello. Yummy. I've kind of like a preschool like meal right now. I've got hot dogs and craft dinner. I kind of feel like an infant right now, but you know, whatever. Like this meal is not nutritious. It's just like it's what like a 2-year-old would ask for. And I didn't ask for it, but you know. Do I have Pacific Standard Time? I do not in fact live in Pacific Standard area. I live in Canada time. Yummy. Oh, I don't have any water. God damn it. You know, whenever I say God damn it, I have this like post sentence clarity where it's like, okay, did I just tell God to damn water? It's like, God damn that bastard. God, send that terrible person who committed atrocities into damnation. Instead, I say, God, which, you know, I'm atheistic / agnostic. So take it with a grain of salt when I say it, but it's like, God, please send that water to damnation. What? Send that water to burn in hell. That's not how that works. It'll boil. It's gonna evaporate. Anyway, okay. Sorry, that was the only little bit of water I had left. I know I said I had none, but I had like a sip. Anyway. So. Oh wait, no. This would be 0, 3, and 6. All right. Yummy. Okay. So I've kind of got that figured out. This is gonna be the O, like, this will add 0. This will add 3. This will add 6. Which, if you look at the diagram, are these things. Next, we need to see what I just circled behind my head. Next, we need to do that stuff. Which is the +0, +1, +2. And now I'm wondering though, could we just have all these in the same class? Because I think methods would be enough to separate them, right? I guess like hmm, I don't know. Because like there's not much about like the class that well, I mean here. Um W through schools. I want to look at the constructors. So okay. Oh, I really need water. Fuck, I really want to go get water. I'm grabbing some water. Okay, my bad. I'm such a I feel like I need to work on that. I feel like I'm kind of like erratic too much. I'm a little too erratic in a lot of ways. I shouldn't have to like disappear for like 30 seconds randomly. Okay, baby. Okay, so I got like a full, huge, large cup of water, and it's already half empty. Turns out I was really thirsty. Right, back to it. Okay. Is that a constructor? What? Oh. Can you do that outside of the original class? Why would you need that? Oh. Oh, okay. So you input the variables. They are pointed and activated through this right here. This here, this here, this here. Then yeah, constructors without constructors, blah 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 blah. Constructor, blah blah blah. Still kind of the same thing. Okay, well, whatever. Okay. So what can I do here? Actually, I think I should before I do anything else, so I get a better idea of things. Actually, figure out what variables I should use for certain actions. There we go. Should I add get ignore dot get ignore to get ignore? Sorry, my mouth's full and that became a tongue twister. Yeah, a frickin' course you should, dude. I don't know anything about GitHub. I just know that that's peak. What you're explaining to me is peak. Anyway, um, trap should be reliant on a lot of meta. High mana slash stam. Okay. What? Not suboptimal. Ranged should be based on health. Ooh, what else should it be based off of? Because melee is well also based on health. What? Well, I mean, this is low health, this is high health. But if you're low health, you're going to be taking a defensive action. I guess. Here, wait. That's based on meta 2. This is based on meta 1 and health. So meta line 1, which is the boss's personality. I guess they're also based on meta 2. Oh, actually, yeah, they're heavily based off of meta 2. Meta 2. Meta 2. Meta 2e. All right, and then it would be, well, first of all, it'd be heal, retreat, and parry, which should be based off low stats. Well, all of them are low stat. Here, wait. Yay, dude, peak. How many get ignores did you add? You better have added like 10 like like layer 10 layers of get ignore. Oh, dude, but what if instead you added get ignore to get ignore to get ignore to get ignore? Wouldn't that be friggin' peak? Boobs. If you can still hear me, I saw you just started booting up Helldivers. Do you like the exosuits? Because honestly, I kind of don't like exosuits. I'd rather if they added exoskeleton. High stats, low stats. So they defend on high stats and no, they defend on low stats and attack on high stats. With, of course, not meta. No, not meat, my bad. Um, with respect to meta. Will I add GUI or GUI or just general or no, wait. General user, is that what it's called? General user interface? Uh this thing isn't going to have a GUI. Because all this stuff is kind of behind closed doors. It's it's invisible. Like you know Metal Gear Solid? You know when his snake gets solid, it's like that guy. It's invisible. It's background processed. Create Git. Should I create Git? Why are you telling me to create Git? I have no clue how GitHub works, by the way. I I I uh I know how to download stuff. Should I figure out Git? What's GitHub like? Here, wait. You mean like on here? Left. I don't know which way is left. Just kidding, I do. Or are you talking left top? Oh. Third button left. 1, 2, 3. Or from left. Dun, 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 dun. Third. Oh, wait. What? Source. Oh! I got you. So what is Git? Well, yeah. Well, oh, I thought you called me silly. They're like, Git is GitHub, silly. I didn't know that was your personality type to call somebody silly, but no. Anyway, um, oh, okay. Wait, okay. Uh, cool. This is this is a lot of customization. I do not know how to do. Okay, this one's recommended. I'll choose that then. I'm not willing to learn another entire like. I'm not learning an entire new like freaking Gleeby Gloop. This is already too much for me as is. I've already learned too much for as is. Dude, I don't know if I'm gonna like show like all of my personal data if I do that though, because like it's like in the files. All my personal data is in my files. Cool. I just clicked next a bunch of times and it worked. I think. I think it worked. I don't know. It might not. I'll just freaking figure it out some other time if not. Bum 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 bum. Unicore, like unicorn? Yo, what the FTB? Like feed the beast? Like Minecraft? Uh, cool. I can launch Git Bash now. Cool. GitHub. All right, I've opened GitHub. 56709. Boom. Am opened. I don't think I'm. I don't think I'm. I don't think I have an account. I mean, I might. 56709. Okay, I don't have an account. Sign up. Dun dun dun. All right. Email provided is already associated with an account. Fuck! Okay, I do have an account. It was the password I was just trying to set up. Okay. So I was using a different password for it. 56709. Ooh. 56709. Zero. I was gonna audibly say the verification code. Oh my god, the answer to the universe is in it twice. Okay. Well, verification code is no longer works for anybody but me now because I just used it. Okay, I am now fucking logged in. Yay. Bro. Bro Jojo. My bad, gang. This is why I don't like setting stuff up on stream because I'm always super slow. Create a repository. Okay. There we go. Um Bus system testing. Okay. Oh. Can ignore. Oh, which files not to track? Oh. Oh. Which one? Oh, okay. I figured it out. Oh, like actually like command prompt? Okay. Oh, in project. Okay. Is it the debug console? Is it here? Here, wait. Or do you want me to like open it for like the folder? My bad, gang. Okay. Yes. Yes. Please just one line? Okay. Oh. Erm. 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 Teehee. Colon 3. Thanks. Ah, wrong one. Do you mean that was my fake out stream crash button? My bad. Oh, I thought you said. God, I'm so stupid. There we go. Oof. Oh, oh, I think it kind of worked. Are you in my Discord? I mean, I mean, I guess. Also, I like the Tito group tag. That's fun. Dude, I've never done this before, okay? Like, cut me some slack, dude. Give me some slack line. Give me some freaking slack, dude. Welcome back. I still don't know how it works, cause I don't know how it works. Sure. Here, I'll. Don't like say a slur. I'm muting Discord on stream end for now. Wait, who just joined for half a second? Anyway, so what do I do? You're not talking, and that makes it more menacing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, I get you. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that's what I'm doing. Oh, right, right, right. Yeah, okay, I see, I see, I see, I see. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yeah. I see, I see. He's not speaking. Anyway. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I get it. I get it. I get it. Why have you pulled me into VC? Or is it just terrible mic issues? It might just be terrible mic issues. It's probably terrible mic issues, huh? Like it's just a ton of mic issues. Because I get that. Oh! You just made me spit all over my desk. Okay. It might be slower to use Discord then. Dude, peak ping, dude. Freaking peak ping. Oh wait, is that what that means? Nope, I don't think so. Dude, this is an off-stream activity. I'll be real. Like, it's something I'd figure out off-stream while I'm like watching a video to like figure it out. I don't think VC is worth it. I don't think VC is gonna work. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so if I. Oh, no. Object not found. Git. CMD let function. The term Git is not recognized as the name of a CMD let function, script file, or operable program. So it's not recognizing GitHub as anything. It's not recognizing Git. So when it says Git init, Git add, Git commit, Git branch, Git remote, when it says that, it just doesn't understand. Do I have to have something else downloaded beyond that weird Git Git thingy? Here, wait. Git batch. Show me. Is this where you want me to put it? Dun 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 dun. You want me to ask Google Gemini? I'll be real, I don't really know if they'd know any better than like a random YouTube video. Ah, whatever. Actually, I think maybe like 30 minutes, maybe like 10. I'm gonna be ending stream. FYI, just heads up. Yeah, anyway. Back to this. Okay. So we're probably gonna end up making, well, no, that'd be really difficult to do. I was thinking maybe because we can't really have the equation in here if we want to make it like that kind of modular, if you get what I'm saying. Like, because, you know, blah plus blah plus blah plus blah, right? I mean, because we could do is because, you know, it's all about that plus and that minus, you know. Or, well, oh, Okay. You don't get to see this because this is my command prompt, but you know, whatever. Um, Git dash dash version 2.5 point what 2.54.0 point Windows point one. It is not error. There's a full. You know what might be the problem? It's the code that I'm running right now isn't in my user, it's outside of it. Like if you look at the so I noticed this when I was going through it, but it said this will be only installed for the local user, and technically it's not in the user folder. Or like, yeah, it's not in the user folder. It's in like you know, C colon, not colon C, C colon, and like blah blah blah. Sorry, I was just fixing my lighting so I could see me better. But yeah, like if you look at it, if I click on one of them, it's blah blah blah. Okay, okay. How do I even do that? And they do. Dun, dun, do, 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 do. Oh, okay. And it's input time. Boink. Nope. Freaking crunked. It freaking crunked, brother. You're right. Paste. Did that do something? Why is that in Mandarin? Okay. Sure. Did that work? I don't think so. Here, wait. What? It might be Japanese, but I'm pretty sure that's Chinese. To be honest, pretty sure that's Chinese. But yeah, they have this. They have the README here, but the README was there before. And also, this happened because I Here, wait. Let me try that again. What I did was I pasted it as one line to see if that would change anything. But I don't think it did. I think it just broke everything. This readme MD always appears, but it doesn't seem to work. Okay. Peace anyway. Please tell me who you are, it says. And then it hit me with a bunch of nulls. GitHub button in VS Code. Yeah. Yeah. Um, Here, I'm gonna test something real quick. Bum, 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 bum. If I opened it here, would it work? It did make a .git, like a .git folder. I don't think it worked though. Made a readme, which yeah, okay. If I go here, okay. Well, I don't think that worked either. Nice. Bum 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 bum. Okay, get button. Dun 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 dun. I think we're best off just giving up on it, to be honest. I already downloaded Git. After installing, please reload or troubleshoot. Did that work? The site didn't change. Did that work? Cool. Why did I do this again? Oh, okay. How do I do that? Oh, is it? Do I hit commit? Commit changes on main. Oh, I have to configure my username and email. Did it work though? Is the question. Okay, no, it didn't work though because I have to confirm my email. Commit. Configure username and email. Oh, it opened a tab, so it opened up my personal browser. So I got two browsers open up now. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. Oh. See what the problem is now. Was there some placeholder stuff? No? Well, I've got to set up my email apparently. Hmm. Oh. A tool called git config. Path, etc. git config. Contains values applied to every user on the system, and if you pass the option blah, 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 to git config. Reason, okay. Or the file. Um, you can make git read and okay, um, oh, okay. So apparently I gotta use that somewhere. Windows is what I look for. Um. Huh. Oh. Okay. So can it like just tell me what to do rather than just hitting me with a fuck ton of jargon? I would prefer that. It would be very helpful. But I think it's only gonna hit me with jargon. That's nice. It's very nice. No, I haven't set it up. I don't think it'll function. Apparently I might have to do some funny commands. That being, there we go. Down, down, da, do, 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 do. Is that my? Okay, that is my username. Oh my god, I'm mumbling. My name, my name. Okay. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, whatever. Bum, 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 bum. Ah, all right. Well, hmm. I don't want to use the AI features. But if I can just log in like this and it'll work, I'd be very happy. Here, wait. Okay. Okay, I still need to configure my username and stuff. Even though I just logged in, it didn't seem to work. Cool. Why hath thou made me do this to be age? To be entirely age. Get oh wait. That might be exactly what I'm looking for. What? Okay. Bump. Bump bump. Bump 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 bump. Bump 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. Close quotation. Not in Git. Alright. What about Git GUI so I don't have to deal with all that? Okay, well, whatever. Okay. Maybe it'll work now. Bump. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. Open quotation. Gully. Gully. Gully, which is for some reason my username on Git. I don't know why I did that. It might have worked. Git. Config. Dash dash. global. Global. User dot. Email. Insert Gulliver Ian's email here. Oh. Did it work? It's doing something. I'm listen, I'm scanning for personally identifying information. And I don't think there is any. There's a button I can press down here that says commit. I think I'm gonna press it. Oh. It was canceled because I didn't add a commit message. Wait, did that work? Um, what's it supposed to look like if it works? Publish branch? Oh, sign in with browser. All right. Yes, authorize Git ecosystem. Authentication succeeded. Okay, cool. Yeah, ask me later. Nothing changed on the thingy yet, I don't think. I don't know if I can, but I think I might be able to. The page still looks like this. Oh! Yo! It works. Cool. Cool, cool. Scratch his head. That took a while. So, what do I do with this? Can I? Well, you gotta close that. I probably also gotta close that. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, okay. Probably wouldn't be the most useful because most of the time it's broken, but you know. Can I transfer this between computers then? If it's like this? Because that might be super useful for me. Yo. That's pretty cool then. I'll have to set that up on another computer though. Oh god. What I've been doing to send it back and forth is I've just like zipped it and then sent it via Discord. Cool. Ba-dum bum. Bum 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 bum. Can I change what it's named? Can I watch it? Can star it. Cool. Sorry, I'm riffing with my mouth. I'm doing the guitar riff with my mouth. Anyway, it's been 3 hours now. So I think it is time to end stream. I'm so tired. Oh, my bad. Oh, my model stopped tracking. All right. Cool. I mean, I actually made a surprising amount of progress. Usually, when I do stuff on stream, it's like zero progress, which is it's nice. I got something done. I figured something kind of slightly out. Thank you, thank you. I do hope I have good luck to you too, sir. With your llama destroyer. I don't know why you hate llamas so much, but yeah, have good luck. I would enjoy seeing them rid from the world as well, I guess. I still have food, by the way. Like, I didn't finish it. Okay, yeah. Well, I hope no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, you have a good morning, a good day, a good noon, a good afternoon, a good evening, and a good night. But most importantly, above all else, I hope you have an absolutely phenomenal, absolutely amazing, absolutely superb bye. I'll be seeing you tomorrow and Saturday. On the 2 other days I stream aside from today. If you want to come back, Dijij, we don't usually code. We're usually playing video games. But I'm thinking of coding on stream more often. Nice. That's so peak. Oh god, dude. All right. Yeah. That's hype. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah, if you ever want to catch a stream, you can. If you decide you want, if you decide that you want stream notifications, just like ask me for them on the Discord, because I haven't set up like any Discord reaction roll bots. So, you know. Anyway, yeah. Okay. Bye. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye.